So the first thing I did was chalk the tires. Sorry. Jacked it up, and then actually before I jacked it up, I loosened up the bolts with the factory 4-way that come with it. And then I jacked it up, finished taking the bolts off. And what you'll need is a 14mm socket to take off each one of these bolts, or to loosen these. That holds your caliper on there. So I've already taken this caliper off, so what I'm going to do is I've already replaced these two, so let me show you how easy it comes out. Just like that. If it gives you a hard time, stick your little screwdriver in there on the insides and just prime. They'll pop right off. And stick them back on there. Get your new ones first. Stick them back on there. And then what we're going to do is, since your caliper's pushed all the way out, take your old pad, place it right there. Get your C-clamp. And we're just going to twist this guy until it goes back in and it's flat. And ta-da! It's flat again. Once you get it flat, it just simply slides right on back over these. You really have 2 bolts that goes back in it. And these are your 14mm. Let's get them guys started. I don't know about y'all, but my favorite tool in the whole entire world is a power ratchet. $14mm. Be careful when you do that, because sometimes if you have your hand in the wrong spot and you start down twisting that down there, you will know it. You don't want to forcibly tighten it too hard, because you won't ever get these son bitches back out if you do. So after you get all that stuff put back on, you just stick the wheel back on it, tighten up the lug nuts, put on your plate, and let you jack down, and voila, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.